Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers, 718-380-0006.
I'm doing mighty fine, man. Getting ready to let a lot of folks know that, the interest rates went down from 5.75% to 5.5%. You're in studios on the ride home, and of course, you want to make sure that a lot of folks understand that. And you are ready to tell them why it's so important for us to refinance right now, paying off all their bills, especially the credit card bills. Mr. Darrell, Mr. Loan Officer from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Talk to me, man.
Hey, how's everybody doing today? And how you doing today, man?
I'm doing great, man.
Good, man. Well, the thing we're going to talk about today is the wonderful low interest rates of 5.5%, 5.75%, 5.875%, everything below 6%. FHA is a wonderful, wonderful thing. It's the government opening up the floodgates so that all these people that are in this subprime market that are just over-indebted with these bills, man. College is coming up, they got to pay off some credit card debts. All the good people out there who've been paying their mortgage on time, and they just want to get a little relief and get out of those 7.5% mortgages. The FHA is stepping in. And what they're doing is they're making it so that it's almost impossible for you to lose your home. Meaning that, a little while ago, everyone was putting out, doing these loans where they didn't even have to have a job and they were able to buy these homes. But then what about all the good people out there who did have jobs and didn't go out and buy a house that they couldn't afford and things like that? Well, the FHA is pretty much rewarding them right now with this wonderful 5.5 30-year fixed interest rate. The loan amounts have gone up. So what you can do is, if you can't do it by yourself, you can get your mother, your sister, your brother, cousin, anybody who can help you with a job for the last 2 years to help you with your income. Remember, FHA is not just a credit-based program. You're going to get the good same rates, 5.5, whether your credit's all right or if it's great. So it's really a matter of your income. If you're making $30,000 a year by yourself, you can't, refinance a $500,000 home, unfortunately.
Nope.
But if you got somebody on your team and everybody puts their income together, now say there's 4 of you guys making 30, that's $120,000. Now you qualify. And that's what we want to do. So just call up First Republic, call down here to the station. I'm here. I'm going to be here for a while. And I'll try to help you out the best I can.
That is absolutely true. Once again, folks, speaking with Darrell from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. You know what? We're going to be speaking with him again right now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to ask all the folks out there who want some more music but wants to speak with Darrell to call right now. And while you're listening to the music, talk with this man. 3-5 minutes on the phone lines. Let him explain as to how he can help you in this here economy that we've got going on. Your house is what you need to use to help you. A lot of folks out there would like you to know that the school loans, the credit card bills, the car notes, okay, the taxes that you owe. You can refinance your property and pay off all of those bills. Everything. Yes, you can. Yes, everything. But you need to call. A lot of you folks are in adjustable rate mortgages. A lot of you folks are in interest-only mortgages. Maybe it's time you do a little bit of a makeover right now. So reach out to Darrell in the radio studios right this second. Here's the number.
I wanted to say, actually, before
Absolutely.
I get the number out. Just been talking on the phones a lot the last couple of weeks, and I hear a lot of people out there complaining about closing costs and points. When you're shopping for a mortgage, guys, if you plan on shopping, remember, you're not shopping for a car. This is the largest investment of your life. This is your mortgage. You're not shopping for a mortgage. You're actually going to put your livelihood into the hands of someone. Be with someone you can trust, and that's what First Republic can do. Don't worry about points. You should be more concerned with payment. If it's a payment, if we can put it to where you have a payment that you can pay and it makes sense, that's what you should be looking at. And I just thought I wanted to put that out there because I have a lot of people calling me, that's too many points, that's too many fees. And I'm telling you that if your mortgage, if you are in a situation where you cannot walk into some of these major banks out here that are you're just a number. You can come to my bank, First Republic, and get personal care. Someone who will come to your house, someone who will sit down with you, someone who will meet you at the park if necessary. Please, take that into consideration because that's what we're there for. We're there to help you, not just shuffle you through. Thanks a lot, man.
But before you go, Darrell, one of the things that I want to note, because, entities use that against the folks saying, yeah, if you go with the FHA program, the fees are a little bit more, the closing costs are a little bit more. Why go with it? We got to remind folks that they can finance those fees. They can finance those costs.
Absolutely.
And yes, the FHA program is a little bit more expensive, but that can be spread over the life of 30 years. Now, which gives you a lower monthly payment? Darrell is saying, go with the lower monthly payment. At the end of the day, that's what you need to go with. Sometimes people let you take your eyes off of the prize.
That's right.
Don't take your eyes off of the prize, folks. Don't let someone, sidetrack you with something that might pull you into the wrong path.
That's right.
And that's the reason why you need to have a full and an overall understanding of how you refinance your house. And remember, those costs can be refinanced.
In the words of my illustrious leader, Scott Siskin, no out of pocket. We can finance everything. Give us a call.
That is absolutely true. So right now, speak with Daryl. You can hear how articulate this brother is, and he wants to explain everything to you. Now, mind you, it's not just the FHA programs that are available at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. There are conventional programs, So, Daryl, I'm going to open up the phone lines. Brian, I noticed that we got two individuals on the line. If it's not about mortgages, can you please clear the lines? Because Daryl and his team right now is going to take all of the lines, because everyone out there who truly needs some advice, notice I said advice, because some of you might just want advice. You might not even want to do anything right now. You want some financial advice on you buying a home or refinancing. Remember, it is now 5.5% for refinancing. Here's the number, folks. 718-325-5555. That is 718-325-5555. And if you know of someone who's about to fall into foreclosure, please have them call Daryl right now in our radio studios. Everything will be kept confidential. Yes, it will be off the airwaves. Make the call right now to our First Republic Mortgage Bankers loan officer, Daryl. 718-325-5555. Make that call right this second, and Daryl will help you folks. Even if you've had some credit challenges, he wants to help you. 718-325-5555. It's the ride home. We say plush, peace, love, unity, strength, and harmony. Daryl, I'm going to let you go get the phone lines. I'm going to get back to the music, brother.
Okay, man. God bless everybody, and I'll talk to you soon.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed mortgage banker, direct lender in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Delaware, Maryland, Georgia, South Carolina, headquartered at 110 Jericho Turnpike, Floral Park, New York.